Friend, teacher, house, school, room, bed, chair, table, door, family, girl, boy. Bread, milk, water, juice, cake, egg, cheese, doll, teddy bear, toys, sun, moon, star, tree, flower, rain, snow, cloud, grass, leaf. Running, jumping, eating, drinking, playing, smiling, sleeping,